In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your app made with Base44. Sign into your account, then click on apps here, and you just want to find the application which you want to publish. I'm going to do this one as an example. Open up the app itself, and in the top right corner you will see the button to publish it. Once you click on it, then here you can edit the URL and you can publish the app. Now this is going to be a web app, so here you will be able to see the app itself. But what if you want to publish it on the App Store or Google Play Store? So what we're gonna do is copy this link which we just published, and we can go to this website median.co, and if you scroll down you can just paste the link which we copied and we can select build your app. This is going to begin integrating this app and turning it into, or converting it rather, into a native app. So I'm just going to do currency mate. I'm going to leave the name as it is. This is going to be the website. You will not touch this. And here you will see that this is going to begin building the app for Android and also iOS. Once this is done or has completed building, you can click on build and download here from the left hand side, and it is going to let you download this button. Build is going to turn into a download button, and you can just download the source code, the APK file, AAB file, and you can also download the source code for Android as well, once this is completed or has completed the process. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.